Yeah, I wanted to save some, battery, because I don't want for the battery to run out, but I want you to see how beautiful this landscape it is. And I think there is a funeral today. That's why this is a church and lots of people are around. This is a cemetery. So lots of people inside, I think. Yep. Go cemetery. Allow me to go in, please. See how tight the road is. So you need to wait for others to come in. The roads are tight and then you need to wait for others to come in. How beautiful house is this? We need to go to the right. It is pretty. Oh, a car is coming. It is pretty hot today. Actually, it's 8 degrees. I don't think it is 8 degrees. Maybe it is 10, 12. It is in 1 mile. Let us save some battery. I'm gonna terminate the recording now, but I want you to see that house first. I don't know if you are able to see it. I don't think you are able to see it. Alright, I'm not gonna terminate it. How beautiful house is that one? People are going to camp. People are camping. They are taking camper van caravans. No, camper van. It is camper van. How beautiful houses.
In a quarter of a mile, turn left.
Says that I have to turn left. I'm getting closer. Have arrived. I think it is gonna be nice neighborhood. Look at it. Oh my god, how beautiful. A lady who's walking her dogs.
Turn left, then in 150 feet turn right.
Wow. I don't know if I'm gonna record all the delivery.
Feet, turn right.
Yeah, but I want you to see what I'm seeing, guys.
At the destination on your left.
I want you to see what I'm seeing every day when I went out to deliver. Let's stop beside this car. It is house number 35 and it's delivery number 4. And I don't know what is it gonna be. It's gonna be an envelope which is 65, envelope number 65. So you need to look for the envelope, the right one. 65, which is this one. So you need to match the house number, the address, which is like house number 53, and envelope finishes with 65, and that's what I'm doing right now. And then the car tells me you don't need to keep the light on. Let's go to house number 53. Yeah, that's the house. Lots of very nice houses, very nice neighbor. And in this case, you just slip it through the. All right. And that's it. We go back to the car. We proceed to the next delivery, which is around the same area. It's in the same area. I don't care.
Navigation started. Continue northeast, then in 150 feet turn left.
I like to do deliveries in this weather because when it is rainy, when it is winter, it's not nice to drive around.
In 100 feet turn right. In 150 feet keep left to turn right.
How beautiful neighborhood. This is the house that I'm delivering to.
Arrive at the destination on your left.
Small parcel, and always parcels are in the back, which is packages. Okay. It's number 15. Number 15. Where is the parcel number 15? Where is the parcel number 15? Number 15. Number 15 is small one. I don't see it here. I don't see it here. That would happen when they are putting the wrong sticker on the wrong type of delivery. Says it's a box, but I think it is an envelope. Yeah, here it is. See, it says here is box, and here it is an envelope. And then scan it. Make sure you don't lose any of your deliveries. And it is house number 40. Two houses beside each other. Hello.
Navigation started. Take a U-turn, then 150 feet turn right.
Definitely you need to be so careful when you are returning or reversing. A camper van. I wish if I can buy one of these.
In 100 feet turn left.
To the left here, which
In
is
150 feet arrive at the destination on your right.
this one is envelope number 43, which is this one. So quick, that's nice. And the house number 83. Where are you? House number 83. Yeah. Here are you. You need to take a picture for approval first, and then you just put it here. And that's it. We go back to the car and press on start.
Navigation started. A U-turn. Then in 150 feet turn left.
You know what, I have a small trick. Let's first terminate this